Hello friends, good morning. So
Good morning.
today this is a revision video that whatever Anaika has read in English, phonics revision and letters revision I'm going to do. So I'm just sharing these all worksheets that you can also try for your kids. Okay, start. Anaika, this is match the letters. Can you match the capital letters with the small letters? Please start doing.
Mama, let's
Yeah.
start with A first.
Yeah, first quickly match. Yeah, join. Very good. Go on. Don't stop. Go on doing. Yeah.
This is small but
Yeah. Very good.
Mama
Yeah.
and small C
Yeah, do. See where it is.
here.
Yeah. Join it. So this kind of activity can be given regularly to the student to so that they get a practice of small letters and capital letters. Yeah. Yeah. Where is the?
The here
Yeah, very good. Very
and
small.
here.
Ah, yeah. How to identify D and B, Naika? B has a
The has a
bum.
bum
And-
and this D has a diaper.
D wears a diaper. Yeah. Very good. Next. R.
This raw.
Where is R? Find small R.
Oh, this is
Here.
here.
Very good. Okay. Next. So all these are matching the letters. Now can you do phonics? Yeah. What is this? Circle the correct alphabet. Okay. With which it starts. A.
Mama, apple.
Very good. Circle it. Very good. Next. What is this?
Ta.
Ta. Quickly circle. Very good. What is this?
U.
Very good. So the child has to see the pictures and circle the alphabets with which it starts. If they know the phonics, it's very easy to do it. Then this one.
A.
Very good. Circle. B and D. Yeah, circle it. B and D is always a confusion for the kids. Then this one. This one is what? Balloon. So with what it starts? Balloon starts with E. Balloon.
Ba.
Ha.
Here.
Yes.
Cigarette.
Yes. So now we go to our next activity. What is the next worksheet? Here she has to write the letters with which it starts. So what letter it starts with, Anaika? This one? Look here. What letter it starts with? No, first you do this one. No? First you complete this one.
F.
Very good. Write the letter for capital.
Capital.
Yes. It should start. Oh, okay. It should start from top. Okay. Next. This one.
Huh?
It should start from this line, Anaika.
Fa.
Fa. Yeah. From here. From here. Big line from here. Yes. This one starts from?
Huh?
What will it start with? What will it start with? What is this? Ah, very good. Start from here. Yeah, small c. Here, from top. Huh? Very good. Now this one? Very good, right? Small. Yeah, properly right. Okay, fine. Correct. Now you have to join the letters with the pictures. Come on, do this. Very good. Tell and write. What is this? House. House.
House.
Then next.
Kite.
Ka.
Ka.
Kite.
Yeah.
Kite. Next.
I for igloo.
Then write. Quickly join. Next. Go on.
Moon. Here.
Yes. Very good. Next. What is this? Tell and write. Join. What is this?
Leaf. La.
Join. Where is L? Small L. Join. Okay. Now quickly fill in the missing letters, capital letters. A, then
B.
quickly, faster.
On the right line.
Yes. Very good. Next. Good job. Then after D. After D. Very good. Straight lines you should write. Next, after E.
It is missing here.
Very good. Circle the first letter and write it, and then count how many letters are there. 1, 2, 3.
3.
Right here. Very good. Now here, which is the first letter here?
X.
Very good. Write it, circle it. Now you will write here H. Very good. So in this, children are practicing the letters and also writing the numbers. Here, how many words are there? Count. How many letters are there? 1.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No. Count properly. 1,
1,
2, 3. Very good. Write it here. So here this activity is over. First circling the first letter and writing the letter, and then counting the letters and writing how many letters are here. So circle the correct sound. Which sound will come here? Very good. R. And this one? Tell and circle. Now this one. Which sound, which letter will come? Very good. S. Star. This one? What is this?
Box.
This is box, yeah. Which is B. Circle. B. Circle. And this one? What is this? Mat. Mat. Very good. Now this one?
Mat.
So which sound is coming? Which letter will come? Pa. Yeah, very good. Good job. Now we are coming to the next activity. What is the next activity? Cross the pictures which does not have the same sound. So what you have to do? Which does not start with A, you have to cross that one. This one is? Does it start with A?
No.
What is this?
Apple.
So apple starts with A or not?
Yes.
Okay. Then this is?
Box starts with no.
Very good. So cross it.
So cross it.
Yeah. Now this one? What is this?
Yes.
Very good. So it is correct. Now this one. B. This one starts with B?
No.
What is this then? What is this?
Balloon.
Balloon starts with B or D? B. Then so this is correct. This starts with B. And this one? This starts with mango. And this one? Does it start with B? No. Very good. And this one now K. Does it start with K? Okay. Does it start with K? No. Very good. Does it start with K? So here the child has to identify which sound it starts with. This one, D. Does this start with D? Does this start with D? Okay. This one, wait, this one, does this start with D? Does this start with D? Very good. Now, G. Does this start with G? This one?
No.
Very good. Cross it. This one?
No.
Very good. Next activity. What is this? You have to Write the. Now this one is which sound is coming? Star. So which is else starting with s? But here we have to see this side which is starting with s. Think. This one is lamp. This one is boat. This one is gone already. This one is hat. This one is snowman. This one is cake.
Snowman.
Very good. So the star is matching with which one? Which sound is coming? S.
Snowman.
Very good. Good job. Now this one is which other word is here starting with See? Very good. Please join. Yeah, moon with mango. Very good. Next one, this is ka. Ka. From here, which is starting with ka? Same sound as ka. Very good. Cake. This one. Now this one is log. Log. Which is l. Starting with l. Log. Very good. Now what is this one?
Duh.
Which is starting with tree. Tree.
Tree.
That is f. Very good. So here the child has to see the picture and join the words. Although they don't know the word, they can join it. Yeah, here.
Mama.
Yeah. Done. Now what is this, Naika?
Seeds.
Very good. So seeds. Very good. Next one. This one is
Bread.
very good. Bread.
The bread.
Which one? Good job. Now this one. Anaika loves this, right?
Queen.
Queen not. What does the queen wear on the head?
Crown.
Crown. Where is
Where's my crown?
I'll get it. First you do match it. Which is kr. Which is kr. From here, which is kr. That is fr. Which is kr. Kr. Ka is which? Very good. Next one. That is Anaika. That is with ka. Little wrong you have done.